Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. After 2 days again, your Diwali vacation will start. Mm. 11 participants. Okay, why was Matilda always unhappy? Prachi? Prachi,
Yes, ma'am.
why was Matilda Loisel always unhappy? You attended the class yesterday?
No, ma'am.
Why?
मैम एक ही मोबाइल से हम और भाई भी करते तो एक एक दिन अल्टरनेट करके करते हैं। आज वो छोड़ा तो हम किए और कल वो करेगा तो।
किस क्लास में भाई पढ़ता है?
मैम 6 में है।
अच्छा, हाँ, ये दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम। ये तो है। So, Ronak, why was Matilda always unhappy? ऋतिक भूषण, वाह, बहुत दिनों बाद दिखे हो ऋतिक। ऋतिक तो था, कहाँ गायब हो गया? ऋतिक भूषण, just a few moments ago I saw your name.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग अभिनव, कहाँ से?
यस मैम।
ईद का चांद। सोच लो, अपने फ्रेंड्स में भी कन्वे कर दो कि हम 10 से ज्यादा नहीं देंगे आउट ऑफ 20 जो लोग क्लास नहीं करते हैं।
यस मैम।
कुछ लोगों का जेन्युइन प्रॉब्लम है, वो हम समझ रहे हैं, बट many
यस
of
मैम।
you are just enjoying and relaxing yourself.
यस मैम।
मोबाइल का जो प्रॉब्लम है वो मैं पेरेंट्स से बात करके वेरीफाई करूंगी, और उन लोगों को तो
यस मैम।
मिलेगा मार्क्स। if there is problem of mobile, that there is only one phone and you have other brothers and sisters, that I will verify. And for
यस मैम।
those who have genuine reasons, I can excuse them, but for others you convey them very that I am not going to give more than 10. मैंने
मैम क्या हुआ था कि मेरा अकाउंट ब्लॉक हो गया था स्नैप होमवर्क में।
अच्छा, ऐसा
ये
कैसे?
क्या मैम एक टीचर कर दिया तो सर को लगा था ना कि कच उनको कोई मतलब कि मल्टीपल एक ही स्टूडेंट का मल्टीपल आईडीज था, तो उनसे सर को मैसेज आ रहा था, तो सर सोचे कि कुछ का कर देते हैं, तो इसलिए थोड़ा एक दो दिन प्रॉब्लम आ गया।
ठीक है, एक दो दिन तुम रेगुलर लेकिन रहते नहीं हो। देखो ऋतिक भूषण, he joined the class and then he disappeared. It is the reason I don't know what you people think. इंग्लिश का भी मार्क्स काउंट होगा कहीं भी एडमिशन लेने जाओगे तो. ESM, इंग्लिश साइंस एंड मैथ्स, डोंट टेक इट सो लाइटली. Okay, so who will answer? Why was Matilda always unhappy?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Sarika.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Sarika आंसर करो, फिर दिव्यानी को भी चांस देंगे.
Because she is married to a clerk.
Yes, she's married to a clerk and she has endless desires to live a luxurious and wealthy life, which is not possible with a clerk. Okay, Divyani, what did Mr. Loisel bring one day? What was there?
Ma'am, one day he bring
Yes.
invitation card
Invitation card from whom?
from Home Minister.
Okay. And was his wife happy to see the card?
No, ma'am,
Okay. What was the reason why she was not?
because she has not even a pretty dress to wear and not even a jewelry.
Okay. For those of you who have joined only today, I'm just giving a brief summary of the story that we have done. So, main character of this story is a lady called Madame Loisel, Matilda Loisel. Matilda नाम है उसका, Loisel जो title है. So the main character of this story Necklace is a lady whose name is Matilda Loisel. She is very beautiful, but she belongs to a middle class family. This lady Matilda, she is beautiful, but she belongs to a middle class family. Her father is a clerk and she has a desire to live a very wealthy and luxurious life. But father does not have enough dowry to marry her to a rich man. So she is married to a clerk. Uh, she wants to be married to a famous and rich man, rich or distinguished. What kind of a husband she wants? She wants rich or distinguished, but she didn't have any dowry. No dowry, no money. Her parents did not have money to marry her to a wealthy person. So she was married to a simple clerk and she was always unhappy because she wanted to lead a luxurious life. Husband was a clerk, incessant, always, continuously. She was always unhappy because she looked at her house, simple, ordinary house, simple furniture. She wanted to have all the comforts and luxuries. So her husband came home from dinner and he praised the dish cooked by her, good pot pie. Husband is a very good and decent person, very caring, very loving. So he is praising the dish cooked by his wife. But what about his wife? His wife is lost in another world, always unhappy. She is thinking that I don't have shining silver crockery. डिनर टेबल पर बैठी हुई है, सोच रही है कि अच्छा घर नहीं है, अच्छा बर्तन नहीं है, अच्छा फर्नीचर नहीं है. तो वो हर समय उदास ही रहती थी because she wanted to be married to a rich person, but she got married to a clerk. Husband is a clerk in the board of education. Husband is the clerk in the board of education. So she is always unhappy. She thinks that I don't have shining silver crockeries, I don't have good food, exquisite food. She wants very exquisite food. And she has a friend whose name is Madame Forestier. Another character in this story is her rich friend Madame Forestier. तो वो कभी अपने दोस्त के घर नहीं जाती थी. क्यों नहीं जाती थी? क्योंकि वो अपने आप को अपने रिच दोस्त से कंपेयर करती थी. शी सफर्ड सो मच व्हेन शी रिटर्न. So she had a rich friend, but she did not visit her rich friend. Why she did not visit her rich friend? Because she always compared herself to the rich friend, and she thought that she's there is so much of lacking in her life. She lacks all the comforts and luxuries that her rich friend has. So she has a friend, rich friend, but she never visits her rich friend because she is disappointed after comparing her life to that rich friend. So one evening, her husband came from the office, and he's very happy, elated. Elated means very happy. There is an envelope in his hand, and this envelope is an invitation. द मिनिस्टर ऑफ पब्लिक, ये जो है वो इनविटेशन कार्ड है. एनवेलप था हाथ में, और एनवेलप प्रिंटेड कार्ड, एनवेलप इन विच देयर वाज अ कार्ड, एंड ऑन द कार्ड वेर inscribed means written with emphasis. जो so there was these words were inscribed on the card: the Ministry of Public Instruction and Madam George Rampone as the honor of Mr. and Mrs. ये फ्रेंच स्टोरी है, तो ये M मतलब मिस्टर और MME मतलब मिसेस. हाँ, in French you write Mr. and Mrs. like this. So husband thought that wife will be very happy because this invitation is from the minister. This invitation is from the minister. So he thought that my wife will be very happy to get invitation from the minister. लेकिन ठीक उसका उल्टा हुआ. She threw the invitation card hatefully on the table, and she said that what will I do with this card? But this husband, as you can see, he is trying to convince his wife. वो अपने वाइफ को खुश करने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि ये एक बहुत अच्छा ओकेजन है. he says that this card is not given to employees. ये बहुत एक इम्पोर्टेंट कार्ड है, क्योंकि यूजुअली मिनिस्टर्स अपने एम्प्लॉयज को कार्ड नहीं देते हैं, और उसको इतना ऑनर दिया गया है इस कार्ड को देकर. And he said that whole official world will be there, all the officers. Official world means all officers, high rank officers will be there. You will get a chance to meet the high society people. Then she became irritated. What was the reason for her irritation? She said that she did not have any good dress. Suppose I have to wear, and declared impatiently, what do you suppose I have to wear? तो क्या रीजन था कि वाइफ जो है वो कार्ड देखकर खुश नहीं हुई? मिनिस्टर के घर से इनविटेशन आया था, लेकिन वाइफ जो है वो खुश नहीं हुई. व्हाट वाज द रीजन? उसने कहा कि मेरे पास पहनने के लिए कोई अच्छा कपड़ा नहीं है. So he said that yes, you have a dress that you wear for the when we go to watch movie. थिएटर पर हम लोग जब थिएटर जाते हैं तो तुम जो ड्रेस पहनती हो वो तो बहुत अच्छा है, seems very pretty. But but she started crying all of a sudden. She starts crying. Then the husband feels very sad. Then she controls her irritation, vexation, irritation or trouble. बहुत मुश्किल से वो अपने वरी को, ट्रबल को कंट्रोल करके और कहती है कि I have no dress. So this is the reason why she is crying, why she is weeping. क्योंकि इतना अच्छा मौका मिला है मिनिस्टर के पार्टी में जाने के लिए, लेकिन कोई सुंदर ड्रेस ही नहीं है. तो शी सेड कि अपना कार्ड जो है किसी और कलीग को दे दो जिसके वाइफ के पास अच्छा ड्रेस हो, whose wife is better fitted out than I. I'm repeating this for those who missed the class yesterday. Okay. और जो लोग किए हैं उनके लिए एक फिर रिवीजन हो जाएगा, खुद से कम पढ़ना पड़ेगा. He was grieved. तो वो बहुत उदास हो गया. वाइफ रोने लगी. Was caring, loving husband. He was sad. He said, but this man, he had the hobby of hunting. Matilda's husband, he had planned to go for hunting with his friends in the summer. hunting larks. Lark is a kind of bird. And अच्छा पहले ये बता. So this man, he thought for some, reflected means thought. So wife starts crying. Why wife starts crying? Because she does not have beautiful dress to wear for the minister's party. So uh, husband says that, okay, I will buy you a dress. How much would a suitable costume cost? हस्बैंड ने देखा कि वाइफ रोने लगी तो सोचा कि जो भी पैसे हैं उससे अपने वाइफ के लिए एक अच्छा ड्रेस खरीद देते हैं. तो ही आस्क्ड हिज वाइफ हाउ मच वुड अ सूटेबल कॉस्ट्यूम कॉस्ट. तो शी थॉट फॉर सम टाइम कि कितना पैसा मांगे कि हस्बैंड रिफ्यूज नहीं करे. हाँ, बहुत ज्यादा मांग देती तो रिफ्यूजल भी हो सकता था. तो शी थॉट एंड देन शी finally how much money she demanded. She said that 400 francs में जो है एक अच्छा ड्रेस हो जाएगा. So the wife demanded 400 francs to purchase a dress. So first he turned a little pale. This was a big amount for a clerk. He turned a little pale uh, because he had saved this money to buy a gun for himself. He was he had the hobby of hunting, and he had planned to go for hunting next summer with some friends to shoot larks. Lark is a bird. So husband had planned to buy a gun because he wanted to go for shooting larks with his friend. But he said that making wife happy is more important than his own desires. अपने डिजायर्स के पहले वाइफ के डिजायर्स को सेटिस्फाई करना ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो उसने सोचा कि जो पैसे उसने गन के लिए बचा के रखे थे वो अपने वाइफ को दे दे ड्रेस के लिए. तो ही एग्रीड टू बाय अ ड्रेस फॉर हिज वाइफ. ही गेव हर 400 francs but try to have a pretty dress. Okay. So the day of the ball approached. Ball here means party. The day of the party approached. Approach मतलब came near. पार्टी का दिन जो है वो नजदीक आ जा रहा था. लेकिन मैडम लॉयजल अभी भी उदासी थी. ड्रेस के लिए पैसा मिल गया लेकिन अभी भी what was her problem? She was sad. So husband, being a caring and loving person, he gave the money which he had saved to buy a gun for himself. गन खरीदने के, अपने लिए गन खरीदने के लिए जो पैसे बचा के रखे थे वो दे दिया अपने वाइफ को ड्रेस खरीदने के लिए. But still she was disturbed and anxious. Still she was worried. Anxious means worried. अब तो सुंदर ड्रेस भी हो गया, फिर वो क्यों वरी थी. So again her husband observed that my wife is still not happy. What is the matter with you? He asked. You have acted strangely for 2 or 3 days. 2-3 दिन से वो बहुत उदास थी. उसका बिहेवियर भी बहुत स्ट्रेंज था. तो husband asked that still you are so unhappy. What is the reason? So she said that I am worried that I don't have any jewel. So ड्रेस का प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व हो गया लेकिन ड्रेस का मैचिंग ज्वेलरी भी तो चाहिए, एक्सेसरीज. नथिंग टू अडॉर्न माई सेल्फ विथ. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अडॉर्न? हेलो, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अडॉर्न? टेल मी. एनीवन? अडॉर्न
Love.
नहीं, डेकोरेट. अडॉर्न मीन्स टू डेकोरेट. So she says that dress, I've got a dress, but now I don't have any jewelries to decorate myself with. Because that is the minister's party, all the officers' wife will come there and she has to match herself with those rich ladies. So she has to wear beautiful dress also. Beautiful dress and beautiful jewelries also. I shall have such a poverty stricken look. She says that I will look very poor. Poverty stricken means look poor. I would prefer not to go to this party. Again, she says that no, no, I will not go to the party. I don't have any beautiful jewels to wear for the party. So he replied, you can wear some natural flowers. In this season, they look very chic. Chic means stylish. So he says that why don't you wear some natural flowers? Why don't you make jewelry with natural flowers and wear? They look very stylish in this season. But she was not convinced. Uh, she was not convinced. No, she replied, there is nothing more humiliating than to have a shabby hair in the midst. In the midst means among. So she says, no, no. Being a minister's party, all the officers' wife will come and I will feel very embarrassed, humiliating, embarrassed to not match up with those rich ladies, to have a shabby air. Shabby means dirty, air in the midst of rich women. She says that it will give a very bad look if I cannot match with the other rich ladies who will come to the party. If they wear beautiful jewelry and I don't wear, uh, I wear simple ones, then I will feel very humiliated. Then her husband cried out, how stupid we are! Go and find your friend Madame Forestier. So, Mrs. Mrs. or Madam Forestier and ask her to lend you her jewels. तो हस्बैंड ने सजेशन दिया कि तुम्हारी रिच दोस्त है, उसके पास तो बहुत सारे गहने हैं, क्यों नहीं जाके तुम उससे कुछ गहने उधार ले लेती हो. लेंड, लेंड मीन्स टू गिव समवन. बोरो मतलब उधार लेना, लेंड मतलब देना. तो she said, he said that why don't you go to your rich friend Madame Forestier. This friend used to study with her in her school days. She was her school friend. She studied with her in the convent. So husband first suggested why don't you wear natural flowers. लेकिन वाइफ जो है इससे कन्विंस नहीं हुई. Uh, it will look very out of place. So then husband said that you have a rich friend, so why don't you go and ask your friend to lend you her jewels. She uttered a cry of joy. So this suggestion made her happy. उसने बोला कि हाँ हाँ. She was very happy. It is true, she said, I had not thought of that. तो उसने कहा कि इसके बारे तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था, ये तो अच्छा आइडिया है. The next day, she took herself to her friend's house and related her story of distress. Story of distress. Distress मतलब sorrow, दुख. ना दुख भरा कहानी सुनाया. तो Madame Forestier went to her closet. Closet means almirah. Huh? She went to the closet and she took out a large box, large jewel case, bought it, opened it, and said, choose, my dear. Now, Madame Forestier, she was a rich lady. She had many jewels in her almirah. She opened a big jewel case. Jewel case is the box in which you keep the jewelries. Jewel case, the jewelry box, and said, choose, my dear. तो उसने तुरंत अपने दोस्त को बोला, हाँ हाँ चूज कर लो इस ज्वेल केस से. She saw at first some bracelets. What were the jewels in the jewel case? Bracelets the collar of pearls. There was a pearl jewelry. Then a Venetian cross of gold. Then she saw a Venetian cross of gold and jewels of admirable workmanship, fine designs. Admirable means workmanship means fine designs. Madame Forestier had many nice jewelries of fine designs. She tried the jewels before the glass, as we always do. We try some dress है या jewels है, पहले हम लोग शीशे के सामने देखते हैं कि वो सूट करता है कि नहीं. तो मैडम Matilda also tried the jewels before the glass, hesitated, but could neither decide to take them nor leave them. But these jewelries were good, but she did not like them so much. She wanted something better. सो इस सब ज्वेल्स में उसको कुछ बहुत ज्यादा पसंद नहीं आ रहा था. सुंदर तो था, लेकिन उसको और कुछ सुंदर चाहिए था. Hesitated but could neither decide to take them nor leave them. Then she asked, "Have you nothing more?" She thought that a friend is very rich, she must have more jewelry. तो उसने कहा कि और कुछ है क्या? तो why, yes, look for yourself. I do not know what will please you. Then she said that look in the almirah for yourself. So they were very close friends, and friend was also very helpful. She said कि तुम खुद ही खोज लो closet से. I do not know what will please you. I don't know your choice, your taste, what will make you happy. So then she searched for herself, and then she found in a black satin box a superb necklace. Finally, मैटिल्डा को एक बहुत सुंदर नेकलेस पसंद आ गई. सुपर्ब नेकलेस of diamonds. And what was that necklace made of? Diamonds. Her hands trembled as she took it out. Her hands were shaking. She had never seen such beautiful jewelry in her life. Uh, she had never got the chance to wear such beautiful jewelry, belonging to a simple family, being married to a simple clerk in the board of education. She did not have a chance to wear such beautiful jewelry, so her hands were trembling. She placed it about her throat against her dress and was ecstatic. So, what did she do? She tried this diamond necklace before the mirror, and she was very, very happy. Ecstatic. Ecstatic means extremely happy. बहुत ज्यादा खुश हो गई, क्योंकि ये जो डायमंड नेकलेस था वो बहुत सुंदर लग रहा था उसके ड्रेस पर. She became extremely happy because this was a unique jewelry. Hmm? Then she asked in a hesitating voice, लेकिन उसको थोड़ा हेजिटेशन भी हो रहा था पूछने में, क्योंकि डायमंड का ज्वेलरी था, उसकी फ्रेंड उसको लेंड करेगी या नहीं. हेजिटेटिंग वॉइस, फुल ऑफ एंजाइटी, एंड शी वाज आल्सो वरीड. व्हाई हर वॉइस वाज फुल ऑफ एंजाइटी? क्योंकि उसको ये भी लग रहा था कि कहीं दोस्त ने मना कर दिया. तो शी वाज आल्सो अ बिट वरीड. So her voice was full of hesitation and worry. Could you lend me this? Only this. She said, I don't want any other thing. I'd only want this diamond necklace. So, in a very, my voice is clear. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, finally, in a black satin box, Matilda saw a very beautiful diamond necklace, superb necklace, and she liked this necklace. She tried this necklace before the mirror, and it just suited her like anything. It looked very beautiful, and she became extremely happy, ecstatic. uh, but she was a bit hesitant whether her friend will lend this expensive diamond jewelry or not. थोड़ा सा hesitation मन में था. diamond का jewelry था, दोस्त देगी कि नहीं. तो उसने पूछा hesitation के साथ ही, could you lend me this? Only this. Why, yes, certainly. So she was a very good friend. She said, yes, yes, sure, certainly, surely I will lend you this jewelry, diamond necklace. तो अब जो है ड्रेस और ज्वेलरी दोनों का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया मैटिल्डा का. She fell upon the neck of her friend. She was so happy. She embraced her, hugged her friend, fell upon the neck. She hugged her friend, embraced her with her passion, with her love. And then went away with her treasure. यहाँ जो है खजाना, treasure किसको कहा गया है? Went away with her treasure. What is the treasure for? What refers to the treasure here? मीमांसा, treasure किसको कहा गया है यहाँ? She fell upon the neck of a friend, embraced her with passion, and then went away with her treasure. What was treasure for Matilda? Hello, Mimansa, can you hear me?
Ma'am, the diamond jewelry.
हम तो देखा था क्या? Mimansa is there. Huh? Yes, Pintu, very good. Good that
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
taking interest, you are attentive.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So treasure here means the diamond jewelry, the diamond necklace. So she was very happy. The day of the ball arrived. अब party का दिन जो है वो आ गया. Madame Loisel was very beautiful. She wore the beautiful dress, she wore the beautiful diamond necklace, and she was looking extremely beautiful. Great success means what? Looking beautiful. She was the prettiest of all. Party में वो सबसे सुंदर दिख रही थी. She was the prettiest of all. Elegant, gracious. Elegant means she was stylish, beautiful, smiling, and full of joy. All the men noticed her, asked her name, and wanted to be presented. Wanted to be presented means introduced to her. So she was a great success at the party. She was beautiful, wearing the beautiful dress and the necklace. She was the most beautiful woman of the party, very stylish, beautiful, and every men noticed her. All the men noticed her, asked her name, and wanted to be introduced to her. And Matilda was very, very happy. She danced with an enthusiasm, intoxicated. Intoxicated means, नशे में, हाँ, under the control of pleasure. So she was full of enthusiasm, full of pleasure, thinking of nothing but all this admiration. Uh, every one at the party was enjoying her, was everyone at the party was admiring her, and she was the most beautiful woman of the party. And this was a kind of victory for her. ये उसकी जीत थी, so complete and sweet to her heart. Because all the time she was very sad, looking at her small house, ordinary furniture. And this was the first occasion where she was feeling so happy, so successful, so complete and sweet to her heart. So she enjoyed the party. She enjoyed the party a lot. Everyone admired her. She was the most beautiful woman at the party. She went home towards 4 o'clock in the morning. So the whole night she enjoyed the party. When did the party end? At 4 o'clock. The party continued for the whole night. Her husband had been half asleep in one of the salon since midnight. Her husband was not so interested in the party. So he was half asleep. Hmm? He was half asleep in one of the, he had been sleeping in one of the room since midnight, uh, with three other gentlemen whose wives were enjoying themselves very much. So the wives were enjoying the party where, while the husbands were sleeping in the room, in the salon. He threw around her shoulders the modest wraps they had carried. Wrap means the covering or shawl. And modest means simple. Uh, So it was the time of winter, and it was early morning. So the husband had brought a simple shawl, and he threw around her that simple shawl that they had carried, whose poverty clashed with the elegance of the ball costume. Costume means dress. And whose poverty clashed. What does it mean? That the shawl did not suit. वो शॉल और ड्रेस में क्लैश हो गया. क्यों क्लैश हो गया? क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल भी शॉल जो है वो सुंदर ड्रेस को सूट ही नहीं कर रहा था. Because the simple shawl did not match the beautiful dress. That is why it clashed. The simple shawl did not match the uh, stylish dress. That is why it clashed with each other. The poverty clashed with the elegance of the ball costume. इसका मतलब ये कि बिल्कुल भी सूट नहीं कर रहा था. उसका सिंपल शॉल जो है वो सुंदर पार्टी ड्रेस से क्लैश हो गया. वो बिल्कुल भी सूट नहीं कर रहा था. तो she wished to hurry away in order not to be noticed by other women who were wrapping themselves in rich furs. तो she quickly hurried away. क्यों? क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहती कि दूसरी लेडीज जो है उसका सिंपल शॉल देखे. क्योंकि दूसरी जो लेडीज थी, मिनिस्टर का पार्टी था, तो सारे रिच लेडीज आई थी जिनके पास जो है सुंदर रिच फर का शॉल था. The other ladies, they had carried with them the rich fur shawls, but her shawl was very, very simple, and she did not want other ladies to see her simple shawl. So she hurried away. She hurried away. Uh, so so this was the best day for Matilda Loisel, the day which she enjoyed herself at the party, being the prettiest of all the ladies. All the men admired her. She was a great success. She enjoyed the party, which ended at 4 o'clock. Then she uh, was on her way to return home, and she was hurrying because she had the beautiful dress, but she did not have the beautiful shawl.